Welcome all of you in the chapter Fuel Properties. Today we are going to discuss about the additive alcohol and cetane number. We already discussed about the octane number. Octane number is indicate the percentage of the isooctane in the fuel, and the isooctane having the octane number 100 and N-heptane 0. And we already discussed two different method, research method and motor method, and also I have defined anti-knock index in last lecture. Now we continue discussion with the alcohol. Normally 1.33% volume based alcohol is added in the gasoline to increase the octane number. Other option is E10 and E15. E10, that means the percentage of the alcohol is 10, that is the ethanol. Actually E10 is globally accepted by the all fuel provider. E15, that has the emission problem during the summer season. It's emit the more pollutant during the summer season, that's why that is not allowed. If water is contaminated during the monsoon season in E10 gasoline or E15 gasoline, then what will happen? So amount of water is less, then that water is dilute in the alcohol. But at the same time, if amount of water is higher compared to the percentage of the ethanol in gasoline, then it going to separate the alcohol from the gasoline. Alone, alcohol can generate the more power, and even this blend E10 and E15 also generating the more power. E20 is also there, but there is the some problem like it's corrosive in nature. Another, it's separate easily, continuously sterilization is required. Even some emulsifier is required to make a single surface of gasoline and alcohol. Here I am giving some homework for you. If 100% alcohol is used in the SI engine, then what will happen? And it is possible to use the 100% alcohol in the SI engine. These two are the question. I hope you will able to find out this question. During the distillation process, thermal cracking and catalytical cracking are to increase the octane number of gasoline. Now, road octane number is related to the low speed and mild driving condition. Motor octane number is defined, that is related to the high speed and high severity condition. Always research octane number is higher compared to the motor octane number, and normal value of this difference is 10, and that is fuel sensitivity. If sensitivity is less, that is indicate good fuel. Actually fuel sensitivity indicate the change in octane number from mild driving condition to the high severity condition. If fuel sensitivity is less, it is indicate the behavior of the fuel with mild driving condition and with the high severity condition are remain same. So that is the good fuel. Because if fuel sensitivity is high, that is indicate is not producing the knocking at the low speed, but is producing the knocking at the high speed as octane number is changed. So high sensitivity, that means MON is less. We are going to discuss about the cetane number. So first of all, in the case of the SI engine, auto ignition is not desirable. It's producing the knocking. In case of the CI engine, auto ignition is desirable because it's reducing the ignition delay period. As ignition delay period is decreased, it's eliminating the tendency of detonation. So what is the knocking number? If knocking number is low, that is indicate is not easily auto ignite, and that's why it's not easily started. So called starting problem. Even starting problem is there, that means it's not easily ignite. So hydrocarbon emission is also increased in exhaust, and to obtain the same amount of power, more fuel is required. So these are the difficulties which related to the low C10 number. So C10 number, that is indicate via two reference fuel. So primary reference fuel is N-hexadecane. I already told you a saturated hydrocarbon is classified via three-way: normal, iso and neo. So this is the normal hexadecane. What is the normal hexadecane? C16H34, and that having the highest tendency towards the auto ignition, that means is easily auto ignite. That's why the C10 number of that fuel is 100. Now other fuel is iso-C10. C10, that means further how many number of carbon? 16 number of carbon. And why that is called as the iso? Because there is the branch of carbon. IUPAC name of this isooctane is 2,2,4,4,6,8,8. Total how many number of methyl group? 7. That means hepta. So 2,2,4,4,6,8,8 hepta methyl. How many number of linear carbon? 9. So non-N. So IUPAC nomenclature is 2,2,4,4,6,8,8 heptamethyl non-N. Here the tendency of this fuel is lower towards the auto ignition, and arbitrary 15 value is given to this one. So first question is arise in the mind, 15, why not 0? We are going to discuss. So other reference fuel is 1-methyl naphthalene. So here if you consider it is the first carbon, that is the first, on the first carbon methyl is there, and this is called as the naphthalene. Actually 1-methyl naphthalene having the lowest tendency towards the auto ignition. So arbitrary the value of that one is 0. Methyl naphthalene is not easily handled and is not safe to use. That's why it's not recommended. Instead of this one, to identify the C10 number, the mixture is made up from the primary reference fuel C10 or normal C10 and another is iso-C10. The formula of the C10 and iso-C10 both are remain same, only structural difference is there. Here this is a normal structure and this is the iso structure. 100 number is given to the normal hexadecane, or you can say as a C10, and 15 number is given for the iso-C10. Further same CFR engine is used. I am not going to brief with this one. How the testing is done? So first of all, fuel is filled with this vessel and auto ignition tendency is find out with the different compression ratio. Here the procedure is somewhat different. Whatever the sample fuel is taken into this vessel, compression ratio is continuously increased to obtain the delay time as a 2.407 millisecond, and then identify that C10 number with the mixture of the normal C10 and iso-C10, and based on that one the C10 number is defined for that fuel. C10 number is obtained by the comparison of auto ignition tendency with the mixture of C10, or you can say the normal C10 and iso-C10. And what is the requirement condition? Delay period should be 2.407 millisecond.